How you doing? This is Cody with TREC Roofing again. We're out here doing an inspection in Hyattsville. As you can see, we just wrapped up. The rear of this house has 18 wind damage shingles, no hail damage. The front side has 7 wind damage and 0 hail damage. What's actually interesting about this roof, it may not be because of wind and storm, but they do have quite a bit of damage down here that's actually resulting in a hole, and you can actually see down in their attic right there. If you do have a hole like that, that could cause a lot of water damage inside your house, allowing for black mold and a lot of things that you really don't want in there. If you do have a hole like this or any damage like this, please give us a call ASAP so we can help you out.